Crafting a unique fox head latte art is truly fascinating. To explore the art of crafting a unique fox head latte art. The delicate balance of milk foam and espresso creates a canvas for such intricate designs. Each pour is a testament to skill and creativity. The process requires a steady hand and a keen eye for detail. Achieving a distinct fox head shape is a delightful challenge for any barista. It transforms a simple beverage into a visual masterpiece. This artistic expression adds an element of joy to the coffee experience. We appreciate the dedication involved in mastering such a specialized skill. Fox head latte art. Certainly, a fox head depicted in latte art presents a charming and whimsical visual. The delicate lines and creamy foam can truly bring this woodland creature to life atop a warm beverage. It's quite a delightful way to elevate a simple coffee or tea. Such artistic endeavors add a special touch to everyday moments. The playful expression often captured in these designs is particularly appealing. It transforms a drink into a small, edible masterpiece. This form of beverage decoration is both creative and enjoyable. We appreciate the imaginative spirit behind such thoughtful presentation.